Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a Ford Fiesta. Now this system will fit the 2009 model to the 17. Just to let you know, there's three different types of system you do get through the years of the cars, and the connections do fit. They do differ, so just make sure that you get the right year of car when you're buying this particular unit. This is our THV 1467 model. So also just do a few checks with us first before you buy it. It comes with the latest Android 14 on it at the moment, and as you can see, this is the home page. You can change this if you want. Let me just zoom in. You can change this if you want. You can change it to a different interface, but as I say, this is one that's pre-programmed into the system. Just going to give you a little rundown of what the system's got. Now, I can't give you an extensive video today just because the customer's waiting to go. It is getting on 5 o'clock. It's our time for close, but obviously I'll just show you what's got here. So it's got Google Maps pre-installed into it. So you can add your maps on there. It is an online map, so you will need to add the data connection or a SIM card to it, which it will take. Also, you can go for offline maps and stuff like that. So just next one along is there's the radio app there, so you can also has RDS on it, so we'll show the station names. Next thing it's got is music and video. So if you've got music and videos you want to put on a pen drive, a USB pen, you can play your films through it and your music. Going through the applications here, this is where all your apps go to. So you've got aux there, so you can stick like a TV box to it if you want. Also, a lot of people just tend to just download the apps and stream it anyway, Netflix, YouTube and all that type of stuff. Here's your Bluetooth, so it's got Bluetooth for hands-free calling and also music streaming. So if you've got music on your phone, you can play it through there too. Calculator, CarLink, this is your CarPlay and Android Auto app. It is wireless, so if you link your phone to it, Apple phone, you get CarPlay. If you link your Android phone, you get Android Auto. Google, Chrome, these are just browsers. Steering wheel controls, it does work with that one, as you can see, and you can't see me doing it in the background, but I'm just adjusting it. You can see it there working totally fine. It does have a built-in DS sound system processor in there, should I say, and that's your sound system there. So you see, if you're into customizing and all your outputs and subwoofers and stuff like that, you can change things in there too. File manager, this is where you can download third-party apps on through a USB pen. So if you've got like IPTV and you can upload it through there. Gallery, Google, that one's just a demo map, so I'm not going to go into there. There's your Google Maps there. Music player, which obviously if you want to put your music on a pen drive. Play Store, which I showed you before. There's your radio, there's your settings. Need a password to get into that setting. But you've also got other settings down here. There's your Wi-Fi settings, CD settings, sound display, user. Okay, sorry, it's a bit quick, guys. Vehicle settings, so obviously this shows you part of the sync. We haven't paired it up with that, so I can't give you any information on it. Let's have a little look. Oops, excuse me, press that one quick. As you see, it's really quick and responsive. It's got an 8-core processor, so just be careful when you're buying these units, because a lot of people come to us say you can get this unit for £120 on eBay. You can't. Simply the 4-core, if you want to go for 4-core 216 gig of RAM and it's just going to get loads of lag on it, then obviously go and pay. But I always say if you pay cheap, you pay twice. But this one's got an 8-core processor, 464 gig of RAM, so it's plenty of RAM, as you can see. Quick and responsive, as you would expect, as in pretty much like your phone. Google, YouTube there too, so obviously if you want to play videos through it on the YouTube app, which you're probably watching this video on, you can do. Okay, I'm just going to bring it to an end today, guys. I'll put the link down below in the description, or contact details as below. If you want any questions asked, give us a holler. Get in touch, email, phone, or drop us a message through Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube. Okay, take care, bye-bye.